Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Sage account with the Odoo connector. First of all, go to the settings. Here in the app section, you have to select the Sage. Here you have to paste your client ID, client secret, and redirect URL. How you can get that? You have to log into your Sage developer account and make an app. I have already created. Here you can create the app. Just go to the Sage developer account dashboard, create an app, go to your app, copy your client ID and client secret. First I will copy the client ID, paste it over here, and now I will copy the client secret key, and don't forget to save. Once you saved it, click on build connection button. After successful connection, you got a message successfully token generated. Now I have nothing in the whole module. First of all, what I will do is go to the Sage connector and import the contacts. Now I'm just going to duplicate the tab and see if the contacts are coming or not. Yes, my contacts and suppliers are coming. What I will do next is import products. I will go to the sales tab, sales module, and now here I can check my products. And if I check, the products are coming. Okay, so what I will do next is import the sale invoices from Sage into Odoo. So these are the sale invoices that I have got from Sage into. Now I will import the purchase invoices. Now I have to go to the accounting section, and here I will get it in the vendor bills. So these are my purchase invoice. Now I will import the journal items from Sage into Odoo accounting, journal items, journal entries. Here I can see the journal items entries that are coming from Sage into Odoo. Okay, so what I will do is now I will export, like sync the contacts, products, sale invoices, and purchase invoices from Odoo to Sage. First of all, go to the contacts, create a new contact. So I will quickly create a contact, and now my contact is created. So what I have to do is go to the Sage connector and export it. So here I can see Henry Daniel will come in a while. Once I will just refresh the page and it will come. So I can see this Henry Daniel that I've created in Odoo. It is coming into Sage. Okay. So now we will move towards our next use case, the products. What I have to do is go into the context and click on sales, and here I have to create a new product. Suppose we have booking fees already, and what I will do is create a new product too. So this could be like uh, so I will just write some random price, and what I have to do is go to the accounting and select the ledger account that I want to map with it. So I will go and select sales product, and in expenses I will go and map cost of sales goods. So just have to save it, and now you have to click on this, save and run. So what we can see is that our product will come into this section. So now just refresh the page, and the products will come from Odoo into Sage. So we can say the tissue box export and booking fees both are coming from Odoo to Sage. This is what we have created in Odoo, and this product tissue box export. So both of them are exported into Sage. We can see that. Tissue box and booking fees. So now let's move towards our next use case, like exporting sales invoice from Odoo to Sage. So in accounting, I have to go into the customer and then in invoices. So here I will create a new invoice. So I have to select a customer. So suppose I select Honey, or like we can select Alec Dalish, as it is a customer in Odoo and Sage as well. So select the invoice date. So now what we have to do is select an appropriate product. So now I will select any product. So what I will do is I will select tissue box export, and now I will set the price and confirm it. So once the sale invoice is confirmed, you have to go to the Sage Connector page and click on save and run. And then here I have to go to the sale invoices. So I can see that I have created this sale invoice recently. 45890 total sum. The product is tissue box export, ledger account is sales product. So we can just cross verify it. Yes, the product total same, everything is good to go. And now moving towards our last use case. Now we have to create a purchase invoice. For that we have to go to vendors and bills, and now click on new. So here we can create we can search our vendor. So one thing we should keep in mind that in creating a purchase invoice to export, we always should assign the supplier, which is in Sage, not a customer. If we assign the customer, we will get an error because a customer cannot create a vendor bill. So I will create a vendor bill. So my suppliers are Denny Marcus and John Henry. So I can select anyone. So I will select John Henry from here, and now I will include the bill date, and now I will add a product. So here I can any product. So I will add this import product to test, and now I will set the price. So here in price I can select any number, and now I will entering a number. So now I will confirm the vendor bill. So once you confirm the vendor bill, go to the Sage Connector page, select the purchase invoice option, and press save and run. So once it is done, so we'll go to the purchase invoices, and here is my invoice, which is total of 1,45,000. So just cross verify it. Is it true? Yes, the supplier is John Henry, and product is import product to test. So just go to it and cross check. Yes, we have the same supplier and the product and the total bill. That's all for the Sage Connect.